I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel, Agla Same Schools. Today, we will be covering chapter 5, that is arithmetic progression. So starting with the rest of the question of our exercise 5.1, our third question says, for the following arithmetic progressions, write the first term and the common difference. First part says 3, 1, minus 3. So the first term is A, that is 3. Common difference, that is D, which is equals to A2 minus A1, that will give you minus 2. Second part says minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. So here first term is A, that is minus 5, and the common difference, that is D, which is equals to A2 minus A1, that is minus 1 minus into minus 5 will give you 4. Third part says 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So here first term, that is A, is 1 by 3, and the common difference, that is 4 by 3 by subtracting A2 minus A1. Fourth part says 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. So here first term, that is A, is 0.6, and the common difference, that is D, is 1.1 by subtracting A2 minus A1. Moving to our fourth question, which says, which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So first part says 2, 4, 8, 16. So the answer is A2 minus A1, that is equals to 4 minus 2, which will give you 2. A3 minus A2, that is 8 minus 4, will give you 4. A4 minus A3, that is 16 minus 8, will give you 8. So the difference between the successive terms are not same. Hence, it is not an arithmetic progression. Moving to our second part, which says 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So the answer is A2 minus A1, that is 5 upon 2 minus 2, will give you 1 by 2. A3 minus A2, that is 3 minus 5 by 2, which will give you 1 by 2. A4 minus A3, that is 7 by 2 minus 3, will give you 1 by 2. The difference between the successive terms are same. Hence, it is a arithmetic progression. Therefore, the fifth term will be A5, that is A4 plus D. So, it will give you 7 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is 4. Sixth term will be 4 plus 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2. Seventh term will be 9 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, that will give you 5. Third part says minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. So, the answer is A2 minus A1, that will give you minus 2.0. A3 minus A1, that will give you minus 2.0. A4 minus A3, that will give you minus 2.0. Here the difference between the successive terms are same. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. So, the common difference is minus 2. Fifth term will be minus 9.2 by adding A4 plus D. Sixth term will be adding A5 plus D will give you minus 11.2. Seventh term will be A6 plus D will give you minus 13.2. Moving to our fourth part, which says minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. So the answer is A2 minus A1, that will give you 4. A3 minus A2 will give you 4. A4 minus A3 again will give you 4. So here the common difference is 4. So our fifth term will be A4 plus D, that is 6. And sixth term will be A5 plus D, that is 10. Seventh term will be A6 plus D, that is 14. Fifth part says 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 3. So the answer is A2 minus A1, that is root 2. A3 minus A2, that is root 2. A4 minus A3, that is root 2. Again, the common difference is 4. So the fifth term will be A4 plus D, that is 3 plus 4 root 2. Sixth term will be A5 plus D, that is 3 plus 5 root 2. Seventh term will be A6 plus D, that is 3 plus 6 root 2. Moving to our sixth part, which says 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.2222. So the answer is A2 minus A1, that is 0.02. A3 minus A2, that is 0.002. A4 minus A3, that is 0.0002. So here the difference between the successive terms are not same. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. Seventh part says 1, 3, 9, 27. So again, A2 minus A1 that is 2, A3 minus A2 that is 6, A4 minus A3 that is 18. So the difference between the successive term are not same. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. Moving to our 8th part, which says 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. So again, A2 minus A1 that is minus 4, A3 minus A2 that is minus 4, A4 minus A3 that is again minus 4. So the common difference is minus 4. So our 5th term will be A4 plus D that is minus 16. 6th term will be A5 plus D that is minus 20. 7th term will be A6 plus D that is minus 24. 9th part says 1 upon minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. So again A2 minus A1 that is 0, A3 minus A2 again 0, A4 minus A3 again 0. So common difference is same, that is 0. So 5th term will be A4 plus D that is 1 by minus 1 by 2. 6th term will be A5 plus D that is minus 1 by 2. 7th term will be A6 plus D that is minus 1 by 2. Moving to our 10th part, which says A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So here A2 minus A1 that will give you 1A, A3 minus A2 that will give you 1A, A4 minus A2 that will give you 1A. So now common difference is A only, that is 1A. So 5th term will be A4 plus D that will give you 5A. 6th term will be A5 plus D that will give you 6A. 7th term will be A6 plus D that will give you 7A. 11th part says root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. So again A2 minus A1 will give you root 2, A3 minus A2 will give you root 2, A4 minus A3 will give you root 2. So here the common difference is root 2 only. So 5th term will be A4 plus D that will give you root 50. 6th term will be A5 plus D that is root 72. 7th term will be A6 plus D that is root 98. Moving to our 12th part, which says A square, A cube, A4. So here A2 minus A1 that is A square minus A, A3 minus A2 that will give you A cube minus A square, A4 minus A3 that will give you A power 4 minus A cube. So here the difference between the successive term are not same. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. Moving to our 13th part, which says root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. So here A2 minus A1 will give you root 6 minus root 3. A3 minus A2 will give you root 9 minus root 6, that is 3 minus root 6. A4 minus A3 will give you minus 2 root 3 minus 3. So here the difference between the successive term are not same. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. Moving to our 14th part, which says 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So again A2 minus A1 will give you 8. A3 minus A2 will give you 16. A4 minus A3 will give you 24. So the difference between the successive term are not same. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. 15th part says 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So here A2 minus A1 will give you 24. A3 minus A2 will give you 24. A4 minus A3 will give you 24. So the common difference is 24. So 5th term will be A4 plus D that is 97. 6th term will be A5 plus D that is 121. 7th term will be A7 that is A6 plus D will give you 145. So guys, this is all from this exercise. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the questions discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.